Welcome back, YouTube. This is Shadow Build. This is episode 3. You're gonna see us do the final building with the drywall. We are gonna be cutting into it, trying to perfect the sides, some of the scoops. So stay with us, watch this video, and let us know if you have any comments. We are gonna be bringing these as kits so that you guys can purchase them on our website soon. We're planning to have them ready by the end of August, so hopefully everything turns out good, and by the means of God, we're able to provide these to you guys. So let us know if you're interested in one. If you have any questions or if you're trying to see any different models, just put them down in the comment section below.
Alright, we just shaped down our drywall to make it to the perfect shape that we're trying to look for the kids. Make sure you guys are staying tuned for that primer stage. You know, check us out when we drop. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Share it with your mama, your granny, everybody. Let's go.
Too much, maybe?